What's up, everybody? It is Halloween. I hope you guys have an awesome Halloween. I'm actually on my way right now to get some candy. Gotta have candy on Halloween, right? Gotta go get some candy. You know how it be. Yeah, I just wanted to wish you guys a happy Halloween. I'm gonna go do a trunk or treat thing, so I need candy to give out of the car. I'm gonna have a little skeleton, be all festive for Halloween. What are your guys' plans for Halloween? Are you going out trick or treating? Are you doing a trunk or treat? Are you giving out candy? What you guys doing? Going to any haunted houses? Look at that plate. His plate is so dark, and I have a court date tomorrow for my dark plate. That's not fair. Oh my idiot. I swear, every time I go to that four-way, I have some sort of problem. But yeah, anyway, you guys know of any haunted houses? Anybody gonna check out some haunted houses? Look, it's so spooky. Saw it. There's really not a ton to do for Halloween. I guess there's like trick-or-treating and trunk-or-treats and then haunted houses. I don't really know what else. I know Six Flags is doing Fright Night. I should go check that out. I don't know when that is. I just got hit in the helmet with a leaf. Spooky. Spooky.